Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to upload Excel file into Google Sheet. Google Sheet is another popular spreadsheet application. It is from Google and it is free. So here is an Excel file with several worksheets and I will upload this Excel file into Google Sheet. So to do that, first I'll find the application Google Sheet. So I click on Google Sheets. So now I'm in Google Sheets and by default it opens a new file. So what I need to do is go to file, say open, and click on the upload option. Then you browse and look for the Excel file that you want to upload. So in this case it is this one. So I've chosen the Excel file that I want to upload. The data from the Excel file is now in Google Sheet with various worksheets. Now you can do the other way also, that is export data from Google Sheets into Excel file. So this is Google Sheets. So if you want to export this to Excel, what you do is go to file, say download, and then you download in the Microsoft Excel format .xls and click on that. So it has downloaded the file to Sheets. So now I also have the file which I downloaded from Google Sheet. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching the video.